certainly applies here. This is Temp-tations Nostalgic Summer Shells, set of 2 nesting bowls. And I can't help but take a little bit of credit for this because Tara was over at my house having dinner one night, and we walked into the pantry, she and I, to grab something, and there was one of your shell bakers.
Yes.
On the shelf, and she was like, "Oh, you have my old baker," and I was like, "Any chance we can do this again?" She was like, "I don't know, why not?"
Let's do it.
I mean, if you're going to go to the head of the company, go to the head of the company and have her bring it back. So we brought back the baker, very, very popular. We also brought in these brand new
yes.
brand new again bowls.
Yes. So we've never done these 2 sizes. So a 2-quart and a 1-quart, and I want to brag a little bit on the sculptural detail. So when you get these home, every part of this bowl has a beautiful embossed detail. All of these shells are actually a roadmap for the artisans to then go and hand paint. So there you can see that beautiful gingham check work at the bottom, the gorgeous accents of your pinks and your teals, that yellow, the beautiful shells. Then you have that gorgeous kind of little squiggly detail that runs around the edges. And then what I like to call the surprise inside, you have that gorgeous starfish in there. So 1-quart, 2-quart, always our most popular sizes. And the best part is our bowls are also bakers, David. So same thing, go in the oven up to 500 degrees, the dishwasher, the fridge, the freezer, and the microwave. But they're nostalgic, so that means we brought them back for this time, and then once they're gone, back in the vault, we will not do these again.
And Tara was so inspired that she did the summer shells pattern in her brand new mitts that are super popular.
Awesome.
You know what else is popular is the platter.
Yes.
And I was just looking to see if we had one without food on it, and I'm not sure that we do.
We found the one in the building.
We do have this same pattern in a there it is on the screen. So if you're interested in the platter is an extra $24. That's also a one and done kind of thing too, isn't it?
Exactly. Yep, the whole collection. We brought it back by your asking, which was a great idea.
And I love it.
And
I love all things ocean.
These bowls can go right in our today's special value. So love this Ninja oven. We did a little cauliflower mac and cheese.
Oh,
for
I love
you.
it. I love it. I love it.
I'm going to go right around behind you. So here's what I love. We talk about our bowls being bakers as well. So look at this. We tucked that right under our today's special value from Ninja, and you get that beautiful even heating, pulls right away from the sides. I mean, this is how mac and cheese was intended to be. And it's with cauliflower, so it's a little bit less carb, which is wonderful. Baked beans as well. Use it for chips. Again, it doesn't just have to be for food.
If you're making fruit salad or any mayonnaise-based salad, you're doing coleslaw, potato salad, pasta salad, all those kinds of things, you can park this in the fridge. Now, it might weep a little bit. Now, what that means is it gets a little soupy. So you just stir it up.
Give it a stir.
And then serve it along. Here it is.
There it is.
Potato salad.
Look at that. Macaroni
salad. You could also put coleslaw in here, put the Colonel to shame. All this is really lovely. Now, these bowls can go into the oven. They can go into your fridge. Are they freezer safe as well?
Yes, of course. Freezer, microwave, dishwasher, everything you've loved from Temp-tations. We brought this pattern back for this season. Once it's gone, once these sell out, you will not see these again. This is truly what we call our nostalgic collection, where we bring a pattern back that you've loved, or in this case, David loved as well, and then we offer it for this short time.
Look what I wrote on my card. I've covered up your
reorder.
sensitive information. No reorder.
Yeah, no.
No reorder and brand new today.
Yes.
So this is why you want to get yours while the getting is good. And how many of these are gone now, Jen? Over 500 are already gone.
Wow.
These mitts are super popular too, and we have so many patterns.
Super fun.
This happens to be the summer shells pattern. And it's done with an aqua background, which I think is genius.
Isn't that fun? Super fun.
So
all the
fun.
colors. Look at, speaking of genius, also use your bowls. A lot of times we talk about Temp-tations being entertaining. We filled it with a little sand, tucked some of these shells that you can get in those craft stores, and we put our Luminara flameless candles inside here. And now we actually have used these bowls as a centerpiece. So these are those one-of-a-kind pieces.
You know where this can also go?
Tell me.
On the back of the toilet tank.
Oh, I love that idea.
In the powder room.
Yeah, you could put little towels
where
in it.
you need a little decoration. Or you could put it just like this. Put the sand and the Luminara candle and the shells in there, and then you have filled that little space.
Yes.
You know, right there on the back of the toilet tank where you've got your box of tissues. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, no, we all have the same back of the
we've
toilet.
all have the same back of the toilet repertoire.
I love the sizes, though, David, truly, whether it's hot, whether it's cold, whether you're using them, you're baking inside them, but they're sculptural, which is so unique. Each individual piece is hand painted. This creates a roadmap for the artisans to go ahead and hand paint. It is very labor intensive to do pieces like this.
A lot of colors on there.
I love it. A lot of color. Exactly. Not just a pink, not just a teal, all variations of it. So
now let's also remind you there is a matching platter for $24 extra. So we'll put that on the screen. You may also like the platter. You may also like the shells gloves.
Yes.
These are
gloves
the
are amazing, you
the
guys.
grill mitts, rather.
Yes. The mitts, I know.
Yeah, they're called grill mitts.
They are grill mitts.
And we have so many goodies. If you're lucky enough to have found the bakers, I don't believe the bakers have come back.
No, they have not.
And I ordered them all last year. so I'd have some extras. This is lovely. So if you're looking to build a collection of summer shells, now is your chance.
Yes.
Because when these are gone, they're gone for good. They go back into the archives, back into the vault.
That is correct. And we've had so much fun as we celebrate 22 years here at QVC, bringing back some of our favorite patterns, like
Tara and I
summer
walked
shells.
into the pantry that day, and she was like, "Oh, you have my old summer shells."
I
And I was
was.
like, "I love this baker." I said, "Any chance we can do it again? I know the customers would love to have it again." And she was like, "I don't know why not. I mean, if you want to see change, go to the president of the company." And this is fantastic. We are super excited about summer shells, and when they're gone for good. You may want to pick up a couple of sets because I ordered extra bakers so I'd have some for breakage.
Yes, I love that idea.
Because, you know, I can do a
Life
whole
happens.
meal.
Life happens.
But you know what? Invariably, you're going to drop something.
Of course.
Before I've had coffee, I'm not, all bets are off. So this is what it's all about. What was that? I'm sorry, Jen?
These are stunning.
1,500 of these are gone.
You guys
And
are
we
so
also have the
smart.
platter. We have the grill mitts coming up. And they're already very popular.
925 degrees. It's a material called aramid. I'll tell you all about it without turning it into a science project. But
well, and I'm
these
glad
are
that you
amazing.
clarified because I read in an email this morning it was 932 degrees, so it's 925.
925.
I mean, apples and apples. Apples
Potato,
and oranges.
potato. What's
Yeah.
a few degrees between friends?
But between friends, right? All right, Miss Tara, we're going to see you
Thank
back
you. Yes,
very
you will.
shortly.
Yes,
and
you
step
will.
out of this sun because it's awful.